right? The blocking ports change. Now, on example 3-5, all right, what we're going to do is verify these changes. Make switch 5, G04, the root port towards switch 4. So what do we do? How do we do that? Well, let's shut down. Let me get the highlighter. What we want to do is shut down the link between switch 3 and switch 5. Shut it down. I am. So we're going to shut down the link. So the first thing that we did was simply, we just changed the cost value. Great. Does the reelection. Now we know that it's going to reassign ports because of the cost path. Some to block, some to designated forwarding. All right. Now we're going to keep going, keep modifying. But now we're going to take some drastic measure. Something must have happened. All right. And that port went down. All right. So we're going to go now between switch 3 and switch 5. I'm going to shut this down. I'm going to go to switch 3. FAT. Interface G12, G1/2. I'm going to say shut. All right. So now we got to see what happened. What was the goal? The goal was for, let's just get out here. Okay, so the goal. He's on verifies the changes, makes switch, the changes here make switch 5, whatever port, the root port, the root ports. Okay, so it's going to make a root port on the lower switch. Okay, between here, it's going to make a root port here somewhere on switch 4. Let's see what happens. That's shut down. Let's see what happened to these ports. Let's go to switch 5 first. You got to look at everything. You got to analyze everything. All right, so right now, these are all non-designated ports. These are all designated forwarding ports and the one root port. Okay, let's see. Show spanning tree. Again, I only have VLAN 1. So now that's shut down. It went ahead and said G01 is blocked. G12 is the root port, and G13 used to be the root port. Now it's G12 because this is shut down. So I shut this down. Okay, this up here, G12, is the root port, and the rest are designated forwarding. You only have one root port per switch. Let's go back in there again on switch 5. Okay, we got one root port, G12, and G13 is a designated forwarding. And what's the other one going across? And then G11 is blocked. So G11 again is blocked. This is now a root port. What happened to switch 4? Remember, look at G02 is the root. G02 is the root. G13 is blocking. G11 is blocking. Let's see what happened. Show spanning tree. All right. G13 is now designated. G02, still the root port.